Hi everyone, Kate and Amy here with Diz Fam Cam. We're about to go to Sanaa and try the bread service and check out some animals while we're here.
So this is the gift shop at Kadani Village. Look at all this Animal Kingdom themed merchandise. So cute. Is that a backpack? I don't think my kitchen can hold any more coffee cups. Beautiful views.
Oh, I see him.
It's so beautiful. We have some zebras and some giraffes.
Sanaa has floor-to-ceiling windows for viewing animals. After we were seated, I couldn't resist getting a specialty drink that came with a flashing Olaf ice cube.
So this is the bread service. It looks amazing. And we were told that these two sauces are spicy, so we're gonna go easy on that. These just look so good. Some are spicy, some are garlicky, so we are looking forward to trying this.
Really good.
All right, Kate's gonna try one of the sweeter ones. What you think?
It tastes really, it's like sweet and sour.
So, not your favorite?
No.
This mango salsa stuff looks really good. Okay, beware. This one tasted mostly sweet for about 3 seconds, and then the heat kicked in quickly. So my favorites are this spicy one, just if I go light on it, and the one with the garlic cloves, the hummus, and the mango. Those are my favorites. What are your favorites, Kate?
My favorites are the hummus, and I like the flavor of that one, and this really sweet one.
Yeah.
My least favorites, though, probably that yogurt one and the salsa, and I don't really care for the garlic clove one.
What's your favorite bread?
Probably this one, like with the butter topping on it.
Yeah, that's good. I like this garlicky one a lot. It was all delicious.
It was all really good.
Definitely get it again.
Yes.
We decided to get the tabbouleh salad because we didn't want anything really heavy after eating all that bread. It's delicious.
Even if you don't get a table with the best view, the food is well worth the trip, and you can still go outside afterwards and see the animals up close.
We're going to go see if we can find some more animals. We were told that there's a good viewing point by the swimming pool.
I see our crown cranes hanging out back there, showing off.
Buck in the back laying
Yeah.
down. The tiny little animal with a black stripe on the side is a Thompson's. Name is Pinky. She's 14 years old, so dear to us. You also may see one of our 3 okapi back behind the fence. We'll get another chance
Okay.
to look back in there.
Wow, so pretty.
You can see our hornbill all the way in the back, inside or outside of the fence. That's our female. Her name is Heya. They will also be with our impala. They like to be around together. The warthog and even our own domestic hogs. I think the takeaway with her and many of her kind is how smart they actually are. She already knows many more commands than a dog might know.
Wow.
And they're all related to her own care because she's an integral part of that. And if she visits the vet, think of each other as members of one herd. Many species, but one herd. And they actually establish their own hierarchy to see maybe who eats first in a particular spot or something like that. They're the ones, they're in control. Whatever the keepers feel is necessary to make sure their nutrition is balanced. Each individual animal gets blood panels every 6 weeks, and from those blood panels they're able to tell if they're low, deficient in a particular nutrient, and they can adjust and give them virtually perfect nutrition.
Wow.
As they play their game.
Do you want to do it, Ruby? Let's go in and see what it looks like inside, huh? We wanted to take a quick walk through Jumbo House just to check it out and maybe see the gift shop. Unfortunately, when we were there, the gift shop was closed, but it was still nice to just walk around and see how enormous the whole building was and how beautiful the views were out the windows.
For a while now, we've really been wanting to check out some different Disney World resorts, and we are very glad that we decided to visit Animal Kingdom Lodge. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for this fam cam. Also, check us out on Facebook and Instagram.